Hi guys, in this video I am going to review the top 5 best smart bike helmets just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best smart bike helmets to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. Findway Pro Bike Helmet. I've worn this Findway helmet almost daily for city commuting and errands, and it's proven to be a solid all-around choice if you want basic protection with comfort and adjustability. What stands out first is the adjustable dial system that easily customizes the fit, keeping the helmet snug whether I'm riding an e-bike, road bike, or just scootering around town. The 14 vents and washable interior padding keep things breathable even on hot rides. It's certified to common safety standards, ASTM, CPSC, CE, EN 1078, so you're not spending money on novelty alone. This thing is genuinely built to protect you. In terms of price compared to the others, this one sits more towards the budget to mid-range, but doesn't skimp on essential safety and comfort features. It isn't a smart helmet with Bluetooth or lights, but if you're looking for simple, dependable gear, it's a great fit. The visor also helps against sun glare, which is surprisingly nice. The only drawback is it doesn't have tech features like speakers or LEDs, so if you want connected ride fun, you'll need to step up. Product number 2. Smart helmet with light for mountain and road cycling. This helmet sits right in the affordable smart category, more advanced than the basic Findway, but still wallet-friendly compared to premium smart helmets. The integrated lighting and reflective accents make night riding safer, and the fit is decent thanks to an adjustable interior circumference. It stays secure even on bumpy paths. I've used it on mixed terrain rides, and the enhanced visibility from the rear lights helped drivers notice me earlier at dusk. However, Bluetooth or more high-end tech gear isn't part of this package, so while it's marketed as smart, its features focus more on lighting rather than connectivity or audio functions. For the price you pay, it's still a great value if your priority is visibility and safety, but you won't be streaming music or taking calls through it. Its simplicity means fewer things to fail, but if you want real connectivity, the next helmets in the list are worth the extra investment. Product number 3. VictGoal Bike Helmet. The VictGoal helmet is one of my favorites in terms of feature set for the price. It blends a rechargeable rear LED light with a magnetic detachable visor, giving you great daytime glare protection and night safety all in one. I often rode this one during late evening commutes and appreciated how the bright rear light got drivers' attention, especially in urban traffic. The magnetic goggles are a clever addition since they snap on-off without fuss. Comfort is decent, though the ventilation isn't quite as good as the Findway. What I really love is how this helmet feels more mountain bike ready without looking bulky. For the price point, you're getting more smart practicality than the simple light-only helmets, though again, there's no Bluetooth speaker or turn signals. If your priority is lights plus protective design, this is a standout pick. Product number 4. ILM Rechargeable Mountain and Commuter Bike Helmet. Among all 5, this ILM helmet struck me as one of the best budget smart light options with wide scenario usability. It's certified by multiple safety standards and has built-in USB rechargeable LED lights at both front and back with multiple light modes, steady, flashing, and blinking to adapt to traffic conditions. I've used this on early morning rides and found the lights very helpful for visibility on country roads. The ventilation is decent thanks to multiple well-placed vents, and removable lining keeps it hygienic after sweaty rides. The removable tinted goggles also helped on dusty trail rides. For the price range, this helmet feels like you're getting serious safety and visibility tech without paying for extra bells and whistles like Bluetooth or audio. It's a practical middle ground between plain helmets and high-end smart ones. Product number 5. Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet.
This is the premium pick on the list, and honestly, part of why I keep it for my longest rides and group outings. Its customizable front and back LED lighting system with turn signals elevates safety far above what basic helmets offer. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you pair to your phone, stream navigation cues, and even communicate with friends on rides. Compared to more standard smart helmets, this one offers a more refined and reliable smart experience. The trade-off? It's pricier. But when you're spending more, you're getting integrated tech that's actually well executed and useful, not just gimmicks. For commuters who want audio, navigation, and traffic signaling, this one stands out from the crowd. It's my top recommendation if your budget supports it and you ride frequently or in mixed traffic conditions.